Shop Radio.
All slow motion and shit.
San Antonio's #1.
Thanks. And then I started an extreme zoom. Ah, get my money.
Sé que pronto estaremos unidos. Esa sonrisa traviesa que vive
Oh, no way I'm catching up to that high score. I got 125,000. Nice Pac-Man. Hee Well, Clear to Mind got most of the video.
Charge for that?
I don't know. Ready?
Ready.
Leave it open. Oh, okay. Oh, the trunk. So much crap. Alright, so we got showstoppers. We got motorcyclers. Going to the other car show today. Sunday, July the 8th. We got a lot of fully equipped vehicles just sitting here, and this is just the parking lot, as usual. Straight aces. See if my cousin's up here somewhere.
Yeah, he's gotta be here.
They're in there somewhere. They're under one of the tents.
Oh, you didn't see this shit?
They was parking on the other side too. We got a purple truck.
Why is a fucking 40?
Custom rims, big time.
We don't play, got this case in a case, and we go down the straight. We don't play.
Damn, it's hot out here. But make sure you come hit up that Simple Entertainment booth for all your CDs, DVDs, T-shirts. We got DVDs, all your local artists. Stop by.
Everybody came out here today, huh? Swift. Midnight Customs. Oh, Midnight Illusions. Hidden switches. Woo.
Chiller.
Yeah. Is that a Hulk? They're sitting right here in front of us at the tent on my right.
I got it on my wrist, I got it on my chain. So much up within my mind, it's about to fix my brain. I got this boy saying man when they see me shine. Let me see these dollars, my nigga, this is mine. Up on my ride, best believe I gotta give it mine. The 24/7, I'ma do whatever suck a ball. Just check out my diamonds. I don't know how many people wanna see me fall.
Hey man, no noise over here. Hey, noise pollution guy. I see you, Zay, just chilling and shit. Is it a bird? Is it a plane?
Set up with it real quick.
You see that? Holy shit.
I am. Hey, after he runs, we'll open it up, alright?
Alright, cool. I think I just lost my virginity sitting in the thing. The mirrors say boo! Nocturnal. Shit, as soon as it gets dark, I go to sleep. Or at least I go to bed. Salió. 137. He's already higher than me right there. I do like 120s. Alaka Allah. Ah, it's big. Muy grande. What's that?
That's a 2 liter.
I know. It's a 5 liter. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Night vision on. And my cousin actually has the other camera.
Who's next? Is he next?
The kid with the red card.
Over here.
They got the external thing. $153.6. Ah, I got it. Let's see this thing. I bet.
Close the door.
Oh shit! I got the hot seat. That's not normal. Holy shit.